Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. I am Krishna Madrevar. Today we will discuss the second part of divisibility rule. In first video we have discussed the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Okay, so in this video we will discuss the divisibility rules for 6, 7, 8 and 11. Now consider the first one, that is divisibility rule for 6. Take an example, that is a number is 203. If we take the example 203, then we have to do the addition of these numbers, that is 2 plus 0 plus 3, which comes, that is 5. Again the number should be even. Okay, so the rule is number should be even and the sum of digits of a number should be divisible by 3. Now 5 is not divisible by 3 and this number is not even one. Okay, so we cannot divide 203 by 6. Okay, means simply we can say that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Okay, this will be your first assumption and this will be your second assumption to divide any number by 6. Now if we take an example, that is 2316, this will be your example. Now do the addition, number is even, first criteria is achieved. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6, that is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, so this number is divisible by 6. Okay, we can check. 6 3s are 18, so remaining is what, 5. So we can do 6 8s are 48, remaining is 3, and 6 6s are 46. Okay, so in this way we can do the. Now we will discuss the divisibility rule for 7. Let's consider a number, that is 812. Okay, divisibility rule for 7 states that if a number, that is A, B, C. Okay, now a 3-digit number A, B, C. Now we have to double C into 2, that is 2C. Okay, and this AB minus 2C is divisible by, should be divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Okay, this is what the trick. Now we will see how it works. 812, 1 2 3. Now take unit digit, that is 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to what, 4. Now 81 minus 4 is equal to, yes, 81 minus 4 is equal to what, 77. So the whole number is divisible by 7, that is 812 divided by 7 is equal to 7 ones are, 1 is remaining, again 7 ones are, 4 is remaining, and 7 6s are, that is 42. Okay, so this 812 is completely divisible by 7. We will take another example for 7, that is 602. Okay, now this is unit digit, take its double, that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and 60 minus 4 is equal to what, 56, and the 56 is divisible by 7, that is 7 8s are 56. So we can check whether 602 is completely divisible by 7. So 7 8s are 56, remaining is 4, and 7 6s are 42. Okay, so in this way we can do the divisibility for 7. Now we will discuss the divisibility rule for 8. Now the divisibility for rule 8 indicates that if a number, that is A, B, C, D. If the 4-digit number is divisible by 8, how we have to check? If B, C, D is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now we will take an example, that is 1832. Take 832 and divide this by 8. Okay. 8 ones are, that is 3, 0, and 8 fours are, means the whole number is divisible by 8. If the last 3 digits is divisible by last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, then whole number is divisible by 8. So 1832 divided by 8. Okay. So 8 2s are, remaining is 2. Okay. Again 8 2s are. Okay. So 8 2s are 16. 4 plus 3, that is remaining is 7, and 8 9s are. Okay. So in this way we can divide any number by using 8. Okay. Next is we are having the next number, that is 4296. Now check, take last 3 digits of the number, that is 296, and divide by 8. Okay. 8 3s are, that is 24, remaining is 5, and 8 7s are, that is 56. Means the complete whole number should be divisible by 8, that is 4296 divided by 8. Okay. Now 8 5s are 40, remaining is 2. 8 3s are what? 24, remaining is 5, and 8 7s are, that is 56. Means the complete number is divisible by 3 without any remainder. In this way we can do the divisibility rule for 8, or we can check the divisibility rule for 8. Now we will discuss the divisibility rule for 11. Sum of even placed digit and odd placed digits if difference of sum of even placed digit and odd placed digits is 0 or divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Let's take an example. Okay. Now we will take, that is 2134. Even placed, that is odd placed 4 and 1, and even placed, that is 3 and 2. Okay. So odd placed, that is 4 plus 1 equal to 5, and even placed digits are 3 plus 2 is equal to again 5. Now the difference, what is the difference? 5 minus 5 equal to 0, and if it is 0, or if it is a number and divisible by 11, then that particular number is divisible by 11. So 2134 divided by 11. So 11 ones are, remaining is what? 9 plus 1, that is 10, 103. 11 9s are, and remaining is 4, that is 11 4s are. So 194 is the answer without any remainder. Okay. Now we will take another example for the divisibility rule for 11, that is 9504. Okay. Now this odd placed digits, that is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and the even placed digits are what? 0 and 9, that is 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. What is the difference? 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Now 9504, that is divided by 11. If 11 8s are, okay, 5 plus 2, that is 7. 11 6s are, then 4 is remaining, and 11 4s are. So this 9504 is completely divisible by 11 because the sum of even placed digits and the sum of odd placed digits having difference, that is 0. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.